Greetings, esteemed viewers. Welcome to Health, Fitness and Beauty channel. Here we offer essential information regarding your health, fitness and beauty. Before we continue, I encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel to support our efforts. Your engagement through likes and subscriptions only keeps you informed but will never harm you, and also inspire us to create more valuable content to aid you on your health, fitness and beauty journey. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our loyal subscribers. And for those who have not yet subscribed, we invite you to do so. In today's video, we will discuss a 14 beauty hack everyone should know, presented by beauty expert Sarah Howard from the USA, who shares valuable tips to enhance your beauty routine. Sarah started working on beauty in the year 2006. Sarah is a beauty expert who have previously worked as the beauty editor for Interview magazine and as a contributor to sites like Refinery29 and Star.com. and many more. These are the 14 beauty hacks everyone should know. Who doesn't love beauty hack? It saves time, product, and often money. As a beauty writer and editor for the past 15 years, I've learned my fair share of life-changing, time-saving hacks. From the benefit of changing your pillowcase more often than not to endlessly ways to use a basic salve. The more you know, right? Below, I'm sharing 14 resourceful skincare and makeup tips worth their hype. Watch on to the end to learn the shortcuts you will soon swear by. Number 1 is it is advisable to clean your sunglasses, prescription eyeglasses, and mobile phone on a daily basis using alcohol. This practice will assist in eliminating bacteria and may contribute to reducing breakout for individuals with acne-prone skin, particularly in areas where these unclean device or glasses come into contact with the skin. Number 2 is it is advisable to change pillowcases frequently. I utilize one side of the pillow for each night's sleep and then replace it after every use, as I prefer my clean skin to rest on a fresh surface. Since implementing this practice, I have noticed a significant reduction in breakouts on my cheeks, as unclean pillowcase can contribute to development of acne. Number 3, utilize a wet brush to groom your hair while in the shower. This technique significantly transforms your hair care routine. It ensures that the conditioner is distributed evenly throughout your hair while effectively detangling any knots. Additionally, this method negates the need for post-shower brushing, allowing your hair to air dry with enhanced volume. Number 4 is for hair that is frizzy or overrun by static. Rub a dryer sheet through your strands. Seriously, it eliminates static and also add a pleasant scent to day-old hair. Number 5 is too little sleep or dark circles under the eyes. Consider placing a spoon in the freezer and then applying it beneath your eyes to reduce puffiness and enhance blood circulation. This method is consistently effective. Number 6 is if you continue to use a razor for shaving, consider using conditioner in place of shaving cream. This alternative provides a remarkably smooth shave while always delivering added moisture. Additionally, it reduces the number of products occupying space in your bathtub or shower. Number 7 is employ a multitasking salve to achieve a rapid enhancement of your eyelashes, eyebrows, and cheekbones, providing a delicate radiance. I utilize it on my brows and lashes to impart a shimmery effect when I prefer a more understated look without the use of mascara and brow products. Number 8 is for a liquid liner that really lasts. Dip any eyeliner brush onto the waterproof mascara and draw a line directly onto your upper lash line. Number 9. In the absence of dry shampoo, baby powder can serve as an effective alternative. Allow it to rest for several minutes to absorb any excess oil and then massage it into the hair to eliminate any residual white powdery appearance. To achieve a fuller brow appearance, begin by applying brow gel from the tail of the brow towards the inner eye and then reapply from the inner eye to the tail. This technique enhances the volume of the brows and creates illusion of greater thickness. For a more defined look, consider using a tinted brow gel. Number 11 is looking for an all-natural makeup remover. First, cleanse. Go with coconut oil. It's ideal for gently and effectively removing all traces of makeup, even on sensitive complexions. I suggest following with an actual cleanse after, especially if you have oily or acne prone skin. Number 12 is in situations where I'm pressed for time or lack the inclination to wash my entire head of hair. I opt to cleanse only the front section, particularly the face fringe area, using shampoo without applying conditioner. Given that we frequently run our hands through our hair, something I personally do, this method effectively maintains the oil-free condition of the front portion of my hair while preventing the excessive removal of natural oils from the remaining sections. Number 13 is I also use eye cream around my mouth to help minimize fine lines and plump my lips. This area is often overlooked, and while we have a lip balm for our actual lips, we rarely take care of the entire mouth area. Once I finish applying eye cream around my eyes, I always take the remainder and dab it around my mouth. Number 14, which is the last one, to create a tinted body lotion with a vibrant effect, combined foundation that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Ideal for achieving a sun-kissed appearance with a small amount of liquid illuminizer and your preferred lotion. Apply this mixture generously across your body. This blend effectively conceals imperfection and reddish harmonized skin tone and imparts a desirable radiance to your legs. Allow a moment for the product to set before dressing, as the foundation may transfer onto the clothing. We offer a variety of related videos designed to support your health, fitness, and beauty journey. Our content includes topics such as effective weight loss strategies, easy fat burning techniques, methods to reduce belly fat, dietary tips for maintaining youthful skin, and much more. You can find additional help resources in the description and on our channel page. We encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for further updates. And please share your thoughts in the comment section, as your feedback is invaluable in guiding our content creation. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye for now.